Oh, he spilled. That's okay.
Oh, I feel.
That's okay.
I feel.
Oh, it's starting to spill. What are you eating?
It is this one.
Yeah, what's it called? A popsicle?
Chocolate.
Popsicle.
Hmm.
What color is it?
Ash.
What color was Mommy's?
Ash.
Red.
I get. I feel.
Uh-oh, it's spilling on you. It's okay. You better suck out the juice. Suck it out. Hurry! Suck it out! Get the juice off your popsicle. It's okay. We'll get you. We'll clean it up. That's why we're outside. Are you excited for your birthday party tomorrow?
Yes.
Who's gonna be there? Mickey Mouse?
Yes. Food. And food.
And food?
Pie.
Yeah. Who else is coming? Is Liam coming?
Yes.
Is Liam? Who else is coming? Caleb? Caleb?
Lynn.
Riley?
No.
Who?
No.
Liam. Riley and Avery? And Shep? Shep's gonna come to your party. And Bennett? And Victor? Mm-hmm. And you guys can swim together. Yeah. Do you want to swim with your friends? Yes.
Where my favorite? You mine. Take you.
Yummy.
I see big tree.
Big trees?
Yes. Water. Oh no, my hat. Car?
Mm-hmm.
A car.
Whose car is that?
White.
Whose car is this? Whose car is this?
White.
Oh, yes, it is a white car. You're right. But whose is it? Is it Daddy's?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Do you like your popsicle? Yeah.
There.
Can you wave bye?